Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW i4 eDrive40 in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the Cognac interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW i4 eDrive40 Gran Coupe in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. And just gonna get the headlights on here. So we've got the welcome light shimmer happening. That looks awesome. And full low beam system on looks really good as well. So let me just do a little lap all the way around. And of course, Brooklyn Gray with Cognac, really nice combination. This one's got M Sport Pro. We can see the laser tail lights are on. And eDrive40, this is a rear-wheel drive vehicle. So now that we've done the introductory lap, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So we've got the beautiful Brooklyn Gray Metallic. You can see some lines coming down lengthwise on the hood. And right down here, we've got the BMW Rhombicle with the blue accent. That tells us this car is electrified. And we do have the one-piece black kidney grille with this new design for the LCI that came out in 2025. I also see down here we've got the radar puck, front plate brackets on, front-facing cameras here, and let's get those headlights on again. Get that little welcome light shimmer, and down here we do have some functional air ducts and functional air ducts going into the brake area as well. And if I do the pathway lighting on, full low beam system on with the stacked LEDs, so that looks pretty cool. So let me get a closer look at these Shadowline BMW LED headlights with the blue accents in there. And it does have that nice welcome light shimmer, so that is awesome. And of course, stacked LEDs in there also look really nice. Snake eyes look, as they call it. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch Y-spoke 859 wheels in M wheels in jet black burnished with the blue M Sport brake back there. That looks really sweet. Gran Coupe has the black rocker panel, and we've got this accent here with the accent continuing along underneath both doors. We have the black wing mirrors. We have the black mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera, sunroof up top, new style antenna, Gran Coupe body style, and we've got the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on all 4 door handles, and we have the black spoiler on the trunk lid. There's your rear 859M wheel. And we've got the beautiful laser tail lights. Those look awesome. And we've got i4 badging, blue rondelle with the integrated camera, eDrive40 badging on the back here. And down here, we've got the diffuser. And you'll also see we've got a pretty flat bottom underneath for aerodynamics. So since we're back here with the key, kick my foot underneath the middle of the vehicle. And once this opens up, there's this cargo cover, there's this cargo cover. We have a little bag here that has your flexible fast charger. So once you open this up, this is the flex charger. It has an 18-foot cable. This is your 115 volt level 1 socket. This is your 240 volt level 2 socket, so it comes with both in here. And we've got some carpeted mats. We have a bit of storage area over here and over here as well. And if I lift this up, we've got Harman Kardon sound system subwoofer, tire inflator kit, wheel lock key and tow hook are all right here. And the other side has your inflator kit with the tire sealant. So now that we've had a chance to look at this, up top we got a button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can definitely kick our foot underneath to have this close. Hands-free way. Charge port doors on the passenger side connected to the central locking system. So once that opens up, there's a light so you can see. This is level 1, level 2. This is level 3 DC fast charge. Button to release the charging cable because it gets locked in there with the door locks. And a little legend here to tell you what the lights mean when you're plugging in. And if I open up that rear door here, you'll see that we have the Cognac interior, and because this is the Gran Coupe, no frame around the windows. We got a harman kardon sound system, galvanic controls, door pockets down here as well. And up top, you'll see on the shoulder, release lever to fold down the seats in the 60-40 split. Headrest can flip down so you can retain your sight lines, kind of like that. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. Pass-throughs to the center as well. We got lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats, otherwise known as ISOFIX. Up top, black roof liner, handle, coat hanger, reading lights in the center. And down here we've got the optional winter mats. Back of the center console we've got some vents, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports here as well. So that's great. Let's shut this door. You can see a little bit that welcome light carpet as well. And let's open up the front passenger door next. So once we have this opened up, you'll see that we have the harman kardon sound system, unlock, lock, door pull, galvanic window control, door pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension, manual headrest adjustment. And down here, you'll see we've got the glove box, can be locked, new vent system, aluminum Rhombicle trim, soft touch materials on the dash with some stitching going across. We also have iDrive 8.5 on the curved display, cascading ambient light. We got wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, blue push start button, gear selector, iDrive controller, drift knee pads. Open that up, USB Type-C. So now that we've looked at this, let's go open the door on the other side next. All right, so we got welcome light carpet on the driver's side. Open up that door, harman kardon, unlock, lock, memory, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar again on the driver's side, flat bottom steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, blue accent, black marker at 12 o'clock, head-up display with some nice stitching going across the dash here as well. So this one does have the advanced driver assist package, so it does give you the assisted driving plus at speeds below 60 to manage traffic jams, and assisted driving for all other cruise control, so that's pretty sweet. So you've got cruise control options here, audio controls here, and this also does have the self back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot, so that's pretty neat. Down here, you can see we've got some exterior lighting controls, and with the Cognac, you also get it going around the bottom here as well. And we've got a 96% charge right now, outputting a 476 kilometers range on the screen there, so that's pretty sweet. And down here, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we take a look under the hood, see there's a giant plastic cover here for your high voltage stuff. We do have a positive battery terminal and a negative battery terminal, but that's more so that we can discharge the battery while we're working on it. This is more for you though, the washer fluid. BMW is only like regular washer fluid. They don't like anything with Teflon or silicone, so stay away from that. And this motor is a single electric motor on the rear axle, and we are outputting 335 horsepower, 317 foot-pounds of torque with a 0 to 60 time of 5.5 seconds. So it's interesting. We've got 335 horsepower in this vehicle, but we almost have the same 0 to 60 as we do in the 330i, which is 255 horsepower. So that tells you a lot about the weight of the batteries on this vehicle. Anyway, BMWs do have 2 latches underneath the hood. It just means they both have to close at the same time. Perfect. So now that we've got the hood down, how do you like this spec i4 eDrive30? So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more final lap all the way around and take a closer look at these laser tails on here. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And you slightly get a better shot back here of the welcome light carpet from each side of the car. Overall, I really like the Gran Coupe design, and I think because of the weight of this vehicle being EV and being rear-wheel drive, I mean, obviously we'd still put winter tires on it, but I don't think you're gonna have any type of traction issues unless you're trying to have them on purpose. So, how do you like this spec? BMW i4 eDrive40 rear-wheel drive. Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW i4 eDrive40 in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the Cognac interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.